Hello and welcome to a room tour that nobody asked for, and I'm going to try really hard to only do in one take because I don't like editing videos. I could just not make this video, I suppose, but I like how I redecorated and I thought it'd be neat to show off. So, welcome to my room. I can't stand very far back because I'm in a small hallway. There's the entrance to our house, but, apartment, I guess. But here's the tour. Warning for bugs and skulls, I guess. Maybe a bit late for that, but So I guess I'll start here with the decorations that I stole from my old job. And by stole, I mean I joked about taking them to my manager, and then he just gave them to me. So they're mine now. Here we have a coat rack, a remnant of the fact that this was definitely a coat closet at some point, but one of the previous tenants, or maybe our landlord, seems to have bought a cheap, kitchen counter on sale and just put it in the wall to make a desk. Pretty sweet. But yeah, he got my jacket. We got my skateboard that I definitely need to use more, but a clipboard with nothing on it. This picture of a wolf. It's one of these. I don't know if it really comes across on camera, but I love this thing. Found it at one of those liquidation stores. Then we got this spoon that I also love so dearly from a local artist at this very cool store I visit when I go see my parents. Then we have the Beatles. not the band. I do not like the band, but these guys are from Michael's. Got them on sale because Halloween. And then we have this guy, a skull. Exciting stuff. I love this dude quite a lot. Here's the grip tape for my skateboard because I cut the cross into it. Don't worry, I didn't stick grip tape to the wall. It's stuck on much like everything else with electrician's tape. Here we have, it's hard to see, but these are actually like my favorite keychains. We have this one from my roommate's girlfriend, my brother's girlfriend, my roommate who is my brother, and my brother's girlfriend who is also my roommate, when they were in Mexico City. This isn't from Mexico City, it's from somewhere near, but I don't remember where. And then we have these beetles from a also local bug people that I see at the tattoo convention. I freaking love them, but I sadly cannot spend more than like $5 on a beetle or I'll die, sadly. I really want that $100 beetle, but alas. And then we have this, which was a t-shirt that was too small for me, but it was being sold by an artist at a zine thing happening at the library, and I loved it so much that I did not care that it was not my size, so now it just is a patch on my wall. I think this here is also from that artist's booth, but it might have been their neighbor. I don't know. Here we have some rats. We have this. What's holding the buttons is actually a rack that my dad made because he's a carpenter for displaying buttons. I don't have a lot in there. I just chose some of my buttons that kind of match the color theme I've got here. Hot glue tape. Another rat. Velvet skull. This, a gift from my boyfriend, is a bat. This is very cool. I love him quite a bit. A utility knife I took from work. My button maker, and these hold all the button making supplies. This frog, skeleton leg that is from a dumpster, and then this as well, also from my boyfriend, I believe. We also have my bunting and skeletons. Fun stuff. I freaking love making bunting, man. I don't know if you can hear the alarms. We live on a pretty busy street for that, but anyways, bunting, love it. I don't know if you can tell, cannot get enough of that bunting. Up here we have more art supplies that I don't really use very much. Also, sorry if this is like horribly slobbery. I'm trying using my phone mic to record it. But yeah, here's this little skull, which I've had for so long. He's just hanging out. We have this guy. Used to be floor skull, no longer on the floor. Very exciting stuff. And once again, bunting. Another display for buttons that I just don't have anything in right now. Decorative books that are also very pretty and cool. Well, I mean, decorative implies they're pretty. In the back there is foam. We have my, desktop computer. Exciting. My monitors, which my computer is on right now. I just turned the monitors off because the light can reflect really annoyingly. We have water. Brokeback Mountain. This keyboard, which is like made for connecting to your TV so that you can watch, like have it on your lap as you watch like Netflix or whatever, but it's great. I love it. I hate mouses. Never want to use a mouse, but also it would take away so much space to just have my tablet also connect to both monitors, so I need a trackpad. Here we have my fan, which I wish was on right now, but it would ruin the filming, so alas, I just have to sweat to death in our super hot apartment. Under here, I have some canvas and that has paper in it, like cardstock, transparent paper, decorative paper that I use for bunting. There's some wrapping paper. My chair, very high quality, has a zebra blanket on it because the cat you saw earlier did this because we locked him in here when we were bringing groceries one day so that he wouldn't, run away, escape. I'll stick to the bottom for a bit. Here we have my Yu-Gi-Oh jeans, which, will I ever finish them? Who knows? Tattoo machine from my parents. Miscellaneous fabric. This is actually from the cat patch on my wall right now, the rest of the shirt. And then going up, we have this skateboard of shame. It's a skateboard I have to paint for my little brother that I got like 2 years ago to paint. Oh, I'm gonna do it. I swear to God. I'm just very good at procrastinating. Here we have my sewing/embroidery machine, which I'm hoping to get more use out of now that I kind of know what I'm doing with it. It's a lot of fun. We got this no parking sign that some dude in our neighborhood, well, I don't know if he was probably not, because, again, busy street, but he hit and knocked over a bunch of poles, and then, like, 3 weeks later, this was still just on the ground, so I definitely didn't take it. No stealing here. Here we have sewing needles, my embroidery scissors. Look at these things. Love them dearly. Not focusing, but trust me when I say they're very cute. Just a bird. The pedal for when my sewing machine's a sewing machine. Embroidery backing. Embroidery floss for like not machine use. Random sewing supplies. This is all just more embroidery machine stuff. My pencil case. Ooh, exciting. I like never do traditional art, but I have it anyways. A color chart because it came with all my embroidery thread for use in machine sewing. And then this little guy. And that's the breaker if any of our lights turn off, which happen if we try to use the microwave at the same time as we are doing our air conditioning, which we desperately need. Bead lizard. I forgot to show you guys the whole reason I'm doing this, which is that I recently redecorated, which basically amounted to going through my stash of flowers I've picked up off the floor at my ex-job. Exciting stuff. And business cards, because I actually collect business cards. I freaking love those things. Also, a few patches here and there, and some stuff for my friends. Yay. Tried to stick to a general color theme, so sadly a bunch of my cool stuff isn't in here, but I think I've created like a pretty cool aesthetic going. This guy down here is one of my favorites. But yeah, very exciting. Large, as you can see, very big room. Lots of, oh, I forgot to show you my, you know, things for cutting stuff. Wow. Exciting. Where did I put my, oh, those have to be put away. Just while I have it open. Ooh. If it lets me close. Okay. Very, well put together setup, as you can see. But yeah, that's, my full room tour. Thank you for watching, even though it's probably kind of a nightmare. Bye.